On this new short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You can't send messages for 3 days. So all what you wanna do first is open the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps like this, and then open the Instagram and go to the data users, scroll and make sure that all those options are enabled right here. Go back, open your Instagram and go to the top here, click on those three lines, open the settings and click on this help option, click on report a problem, and now click on report a problem without shaking. And all what you want to do now on this page is you need to tell the Instagram what is the problem that you have. For example, uh, I can't I can't send messages for 3 days. Please help me solve the problem. Thank you. That's it, guys, and after that you have to send a take a screenshot from here. Click next and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.